channel. This is Stephsgotit, and today we have an unboxing, and I am very excited about this. And I wasn't intending to unbox it tonight, but I have no choice because I need to use it tomorrow. I hope that you are having an awesome week and things are going well for you. All right, so this is something that you can actually buy at Sam's, but Sam's only, not Sam's, I'm sorry, Costco. But Costco only has one flavor. If you go to the website, you can actually find many other flavors. It is, as you can see, Liquid IV. It's a hydration multiplier, and these are really good. And it, as you can see here, 1 glass of water with the hydration multiplier is just like drinking 3 bottles of water. And the only flavor that Costco has here where I live, they only have the passion fruit. And you can see there you go. So we can see here, it has cellular transport technology, CTT, and it is supposed to be optimal ratio of nutrients that delivers hydration rapidly into your bloodstream, hydrating you 2 to 3 times faster and more efficiently than water alone. And then it gives you the cellular breakdown. If you're a scientist or into that type of stuff, you can see it. So it's sodium plus potassium plus glucose plus water. All right, you put 1 packet in, you see that? There you go. You put 1 packet in a bottle of water. And if you care about these things, non-GMO, it's vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, and it was made in the good old US of A. No preservatives, no artificial flavors, no artificial sweeteners, and no artificial colors. I care about no artificial sweeteners because those tend to be migraine triggers for me. It has pure cane sugar, a bunch of other stuff, stevia leaf extract, vitamin C, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, and vitamin B12. Those are all the things that I care about. So you can read the box and you can go to the site and see if there are other things that you may be interested in learning about it. Let's see, flip to the other side of the box. They talk about signs of dehydration, fatigue, dizziness, headaches, confusion, muscle cramps, increased heart rate, dry mouth, thirst, muscle fatigue, bad breath, dark urine, brain fog, dry skin, and infrequent urination, and more. All right, so those are just some signs. They have 5 essential vitamins, taste great, 3 times electrolytes, and 2 to 3 more times hydrating than water. Okay, so I ordered lemon lime, acai berry, and passion fruit. And this is the one Costco has. They have a deal on their site, or a subscription on their site that you can set up for. I set up for the multi-pack flavor for, I think it's every other month, which I'll probably need to change to every month. There are, I probably will, because there are 8 packets in each box. So let's let you look at a pack. And it looks like these boxes are made so that you can just pop the top open. Let's see, you can rip that off. And if you wanted to put it on display, I guess, you fold that down and voila, you have it on display. Okay. So there are 8 packets in there. 8 packets in each box. So this subscription was $20 I'll put it down below in the description bar, or I'll put it right here. Where you see how much, and then I'll try and put their link in the iCard over there, or wherever the iCard pops up at. Again, I love these things. Know anything about me, you know I'm always fighting dehydration because I hate water. I don't like to drink it. I have to force it down, and as a result of that, I don't get in as much as I need to. But especially being a fitness instructor, not only teaching Zumba right now, but teaching actual fitness classes. So I really need to be more hydrated. And I need to get it naturally, yes, from the water, but I don't like the taste of water. So bam, we're taking these. And I try to stay as healthy as possible. I don't particularly care for Gatorades and those things. So, but you know, you got to do what you have to do. I'm hoping this is a better choice, and I have enjoyed them. They also give me a little energy boost with all the B vitamins, and they also now have another, let me grab the pack. They have what they call an energy pack. It's the same thing, but it's to give you more energy. It's called an energy multiplier, where this one is a hydration multiplier. And while I was on their site, I saw that they also have a sleepy time version of this as well. I'm already doing something for sleep. I am taking melatonin and Serenity from doTERRA oil blends. Yeah, so I ordered this because I didn't realize that it was the energy multiplier. It was, you know, me and my late night purchases. So it was on, it's on Instagram, and it's also on Facebook, where you can get 3 packets of this one and pay $1.99 for the shipping or something like that. And it comes in an envelope wrapped in this. So I kept this so that I could have it for this unboxing. And these, if you like matcha, then you'll love this. I don't do matcha. I try to stay away from things that have the caffeine in it, because one, we try to keep our bodies, it's one of those things, that one of those words of wisdom things, that we try to not put things in our bodies that might not be good for it, or might not be good for it to be hyped up on all the time. And also, for me personally, caffeine is a migraine reliever. So I definitely can't have my system dependent on caffeine. So I will not be buying any more of these. I went ahead and tried it because I had it, and I'd already bought it before I realized that. But it has matcha and ginger, and I don't know how to say that. So it has that in it too. And I have to tell you, I took it before my class. Man, I was so jacked. I was so jacked and pumped for those classes. The 3 classes that I drank it before, it was on 3 different days. And you see here it says comparable to 1 to 2 cups of coffee. I used to drink coffee back in the day, and coffee never did anything for me as far as what this did. This was the bomb. If you like this type of energy stuff, trust me, you'll love this. Give this a try. And you can do it this way and just order the 3 packets for $1.99 and give it a try. I will put, if I can find the link to this, I will put it below. If not, then you can probably just do a search on Instagram or Facebook and find it, and it will give it to you. Other than that, if you are interested in their sleepy time, the hydration, or the energy, you can always go to their website. Like I said, I will put that all down below so that you will have it. And I'm going to set these up so that I can take some tomorrow, because I'm teaching 3 classes tomorrow. All right. I will report back to you, because I really already know how these work, because I got this flavor at Costco about 2 months ago, and I got a big bag, and I have been drinking them, so I know how they work. But I'm going to wait 2 weeks just so I can taste all these two flavors, and then get back with you and let you know how these two flavors were and any other things that I'm going too fast tonight to really pay attention to put in the video. So I'll do a full review in 2 weeks. That being said, remember, hun, if you find the content on this channel useful in any way, shape, or form, give us a thumbs up. If you like the content on this channel, we'd ask that you click the subscribe button down below so that you can be notified anytime that I upload a video to this channel. And sometimes my husband joins me and we upload to this channel. With that being said, hon, remember, if you are having a good day, help someone else have a good day. It's those small and simple things in life that really make life worth living. Love and shimmies, babe.